we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this city and the surrounding municipality in the Mexican state of Jalisco. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but often confusing Mexican words, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So, two different ways of pronouncing it. Now in Spanish, this is said as Tlaquepaque, Tlaquepaque, Tlaquepaque. So really, I guess that's how it should be pronounced because it's not that hard. But in English, it is accepted that it is said in English as Tlaquepaque, Tlaquepaque, Tlaquepaque. But really, Tlaquepaque, Tlaquepaque. It's not hard. Go for it. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting but often confusing names from Mexico that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.